Hi guys. Today we're once again featuring News Now Victoria, Not So Silent. Please check out their channel in the description and give them the credit they deserve.
Just gonna head inside now and give them notice that local independent media is in their area today.
Hi. Just want to give you guys notice. We got local independent media in the area today. Got local independent media in the area today.
Oh, hi. Listen, how are you today?
Good. How you doing?
Not bad. Do you have any identification? I know you're probably filming all this.
Oh yeah.
But, we have, whenever people are. What are you guys up to, by the way?
Oh, I gave you guys notice.
Yeah.
This cop has the notice the guy gave him. It explains that he would be filming in the area, yet they still come to harass him.
Okay.
Yeah.
For.
Oh, did you read it?
Well, no, actually he has notice. That's right. But.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Is your identification on here?
Sorry.
Did you drop this off?
Yeah, just now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are they with you?
He's documenting what I'm doing, but he's not doing what I'm doing. We're doing two different things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have identification on you? And is your name on that sheet as well?
Am I under arrest or something?
No, you're not under arrest, but I'll tell you,
okay.
I'll be completely honest with you, sir.
Yeah.
Especially in lieu of the way the world is going now, when people take video of police offices and government buildings, we have to put in a security report. Very simple. We have to put in a security report because that is a reportable incident. Okay. So because you're doing that, I'd like to have your identification.
Okay.
So,
would you mind just reading the notice first?
I'll read the notice first.
Yeah.
No problem.
I read it already.
Okay. So you know what's going on. You're okay with it all?
Well, I don't know what's going on. I know you're filming it.
Yeah.
The area's here and out the front, and people are concerned and trying to establish what exactly you're doing and why you're doing it.
Yeah, it's all in the notice.
Yep. And I have no problem. I see what you're saying. It'll take 30 to 60 minutes. That's fine. You are an independent media communication specialist. Is that who you are?
No, local independent media. I'm here today to communicate matters of public interest for news purposes.
But regardless, you understand my point. In lieu of world events nowadays, we have to now put in a security incident report. I will need your identification.
Oh, okay. So what am I under arrest for?
You're not under arrest, sir.
Oh, okay. So if I'm not under arrest, you're not actually privileged to my personal information, right? Because in this day and age, when people that work for government agencies misuse people's personal and private information,
we're not going to have this discussion right now. Essentially, I can't. So
are you gonna?
What you're telling me is you're not willing to provide your information. You're
can't.
filming an RCMP office. You're filming government buildings.
Yes.
Okay.
That's right.
For what purpose?
To communicate matters of public interest.
Do you understand that is a security risk?
Can I finish though? Sorry. Can I finish though?
Oh, you can.
It's to communicate matters of public interest for news purposes.
So, but you understand that is a security risk in lieu of the way world events nowadays.
Well, one thing I can tell you for sure, because for me personally, any personal information, it's not that I don't want to give it to you, it's I can't.
Why not?
Because in this day and age, when people that work for government agencies misuse people's personal, private information...
I'm not going to misuse your information, sir.
Well, actually, earlier this year, I actually won a Privacy Act complaint about somebody that works in a government agency posting my personal information on social media.
Well, that's not going to happen today.
Well, it shouldn't have happened then either, right? But it did.
Well, I can assure you that's not going to happen today.
If I can just finish though?
Go ahead.
Yeah. So what happened was, it was somebody that works in a police department on Vancouver Island. That's not why I'm here, by the way. That's not at all why I'm here. But I'm going to tell you why I can't give you my personal information. So in making a complaint about the person that worked for a government agency that disclosed my personal information on social media, the complaint wouldn't even be received. They wouldn't even take the complaint. So as a last resort, I had to make a complaint to the Privacy Act Commissioner of British Columbia. And the Privacy Act Commissioner of British Columbia was like, you got to discipline this guy. This guy can't be disclosing people's personal information on social media.
Well, that's not going to happen today. Okay.
Well, it wasn't going to.
So this is what I'm going to explain to you right now.
Sure, go ahead.
There is a section of the criminal code called public mischief.
Yes.
And if I have to enter an investigation, technically that is a criminal code section. Okay. Right now, my concern is you are filming an RCMP building. Okay. I don't know what you're going to do with that video. If you're going to give it to someone, it compromises our vehicle. It compromises our members. It compromises the structure of our building. Okay. Okay? That is a security threat. Okay?
Right.
Because
but you guys got lots of options, though, right?
Because of that, essentially, I'm going to have to generate a file now. Okay?
Okay.
And
well,
you're going to be the subject of that file. So because of that, and it would be a public mischief investigation because I have no indication why you're doing this.
So I gave you guys notice, though.
Okay. That's not formal notice. It's a piece of paper, sir. So what I'm doing is under a public mischief investigation. Now I am asking you for your identification. Okay. If you refuse to provide it, then technically you're obstructing me in that investigation.
Is that section 140 of the criminal code, public mischief? That's when somebody causes a police officer to enter into investigation where there was no crime, or they're entering. Can I finish?
Well, do you understand my point, first of all?
Well, I need to speak before you
finish. Go ahead.
Before whatever you're going to do here, you need to hear me out, right? So, public mischief is either somebody reporting a crime that didn't occur, or somebody reporting a crime to sway the attention away from them and onto someone else. That's what public mischief is. So you're going to arrest me for public mischief, is that?
You are taking video of a secure building with personal license plates and
I'm not taking
vehicle license. Are you telling me your camera didn't capture this license plate right here? Any vehicle license plates?
Anything that my camera just captured, I made sure that it was above all the roofs of all these vehicles here. Okay.
I can take this an extra step, sir. I may have to, I could technically say, well, I'd like to see the video to make sure that is the case. All of your video.
Yeah, but I'm on public property though. I'm not in any unauthorized areas, right?
This is it's got nothing to do with public property, sir. Again, if in a public mischief investigation, or even a cause disturbance or a mischief investigation, I have the ability to seize video to see what's on it, to see if it pertains as evidence. Are you asking to be arrested?
Well, that's what you're telling me you're going to do. I gave you guys notice, right? So, I'm here to gather content for my YouTube channel.
I have no problem with you taking video here. I do have concerns with you taking video this way.
That's not what I'm here for.
I'm asking you nice and simply now, sir, under the legal authority of mischief and public mischief, I would like you to provide identification. Please listen to me. I've done the courtesy of listening to you.
I'm just he's taking my picture, so.
Okay, so I'm asking you now for your identification. If you choose not to, then yes, I will be arresting you for obstruction.
Okay, well, I'm not carrying identification.
Okay, well, then, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have no identification on you whatsoever. I'm sure you chose to do this on purpose, okay? Okay, so you're not going to provide your identification?
Do I have to?
Your name?
Do I have to?
I just asked you to.
What legal obligation am I... What?
Right now, sir, you're under investigation for mischief and public mischief and causing a disturbance, and I'm asking you now to provide your name and date of birth, okay?
Yeah.
And if you choose not to do that, then yes, I will be arresting you for obstruction.
Well, I can't give you that because...
Because why?
Well, in this day and age, when people that work for government agencies misuse people's personal private information...
So right now, you're under arrest for obstruction.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to ask you to turn off your cameras, or I will seize them all. You don't have to... It's okay, sir. I know you want to be... Turn around. You're cooperating, so I don't need to handcuff you,
Okay.
You are cooperating, so I do not need to handcuff you.
Okay.
I'm going to take you through... Actually, Constable Jones, could you take him to the front of the building? And you want to turn this off, or you want to leave it on?
I'm just here to gather...
So right now, you're under arrest. Okay, so you have the right to retain and instruct counsel without delay. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. You have... I'm going to explain it to you in simple...
I don't understand why I'm arrested for public photography, though.
Okay, because you're refusing to provide your name.
For what crime, though?
I just explained it all to you. So, anyways, let me read you.
But public photography isn't a crime, sir.
Let me read you your rights. Okay, so you have the right to retain and instruct counsel without delay. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Okay. So you're being arrested now for obstruction. Okay. So, do you understand that?
I don't understand why I'm being arrested for public photography.
You don't have to understand the actual cause, but
I understand I'm being unlawfully arrested. That's what I understand.
So it's my duty to inform you that you have the right to retain and instruct counsel in private without delay. You can call any lawyer that you want. Do you understand that?
I understand that.
There's also a 24-hour telephone service available which provides legal aid duty lawyer to you to provide legal advice in private. This advice is given without charge, and the lawyer can explain the legal aid plan to you. Do you understand that?
I understand that.
Okay. If you wish to contact a legal aid duty lawyer, I can provide you with a telephone number. Do you understand that?
I understand that.
Okay. Do you want to call a legal aid lawyer?
No, sir.
Or do you have your own lawyer?
I don't have a lawyer.
Okay. And you also understand that everything that we speak about from this point on is admissible in evidence, okay? I'm a police officer, so basically everything we talk about is formal. Understand that?
Understand.
So again, I'm going to ask you, sir, do you want to provide your name? Because the reality of it is I can't release you until I know who you are.
Okay, I can't provide any of that unless I've been lawfully arrested.
You have been lawfully arrested, okay? You are now under arrest, so you can actually just go down that way. Okay? Okay? I'm going to take your phone. I'm going to take your phone for now.
You can try.
Sir, I'm asking you for your phone. You're under arrest now, okay?
Okay.
Are you going to hand your phone?
What am I under arrest for?
Obstruction.
Obstruction?
Okay.
Is that a secondary charge?
Turn this off.
Okay. My bag's over there by that lamppost. And I'm actually getting quite dehydrated, just so you know.
That's fine. Is there identification in your bag?
I'm not carrying any identification. No. Once I'm of the belief that I've been lawfully arrested, I will provide that.
You already have been lawfully arrested.
I don't believe you.
Okay. I'm not going to discuss this. We're going down this way. We'll go to the back. Hold on for 1 second. Does this come off? I'm sure it's still on. That's fine.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Also, please head over to the featured channel via the link in the description. You'll find updates to this video, as well as more content.